Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. And this is actual Gov Cleaning Contracts Simplified. That's Gov Cleaning Contracts Simplified. The goal of this channel is to make sure that we make government cleaning contracts simplified so you understand what the exact process is for you to build your cleaning business to six figures and beyond using the government contract system. Today I'm going to talk about something that one of our students, our government students called, and they had a question about grants, federal grants. Now, with federal grants, did you know that there were more federal grants awarded than there were contracts? Oh my God, my mind is blown. It's like, wow. Yes, there was like $972 billion with the B that was awarded for federal grants, as opposed to there was a lesser number for contracts, but there are more awarded federal grants than there are contracts. Now, a federal grant, there are eligibility requirements, just like you would, of course, know when it comes to contracts. So some of the eligibility requirements is making sure that your entity matches the grant you're looking for. Also, you must be active and registered in SAMS, which is System for Award Management, and you have to have a DUNS number. Now, DUNS numbers are changing, but what they're actually called, and they say DUNS, but they're going to be called something else around December. But for right now, they're DUNS numbers, but they can also be called UEIs, which are called Unique Entity Identifiers. UEI is a unique entity identifier, which is a UEI. That's what they call DUNS, but it's going to be called something else. So make sure that you stay tuned so you know what all the changes are, because the government changes fast. The other thing you want to make sure of is that you know where to go to find the grants. So where you need to go to find the type of grants, there are several different types. There's forecasts, and we're actually going to have a webinar on that. So stay tuned so you'll know what our webinar is going to be. But go to grants.gov. That's grants, grants.gov, on all the types of grants that are being offered. And if you'd like to know more, just when it comes to how to get cleaning contracts, then make sure you click our link. That way you can receive all the information on our webinars, and click the link to register for our masterclass, How to Win Big in Government Contracts. In this masterclass, we go into all this information when it comes to what you need to do to meet the requirements, understand the proposal process, and how to submit and find contract opportunities. So if this sounds like something you'd love to learn from me, I've had the fortune of being able to do several government contracts, be awarded. I'm actually set aside for veterans and woman-owned as well. So we get into all of that. That is the purpose of our particular school, and it's called Gov Cleaning. That is our actual school. So Gov Cleaning Academy. Gov Cleaning Academy is our school, and this is our channel. And I would love, love, love to see you at the masterclass. Like I said, we have upcoming masterclass and webinars. Just register to this particular YouTube channel. That way you receive all the upcoming webinars, masterclass, and any changes in government contracts when it pertains to cleaning. So if you're interested in learning that, make sure you click the link to register for this channel, and click the link to register for our upcoming masterclass, How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts. Love to see you there. Space is limited. It's live. We do a Q&A session after our presentation, set aside about 80 minutes total when it comes to 60 minutes for the presentation and another 10 for the Q&A. We make sure we answer all your questions on how to not to get left behind with all this money that is being awarded for COVID cleaning and all in the cleaning space in general. If you would love to not miss out on the opportunity, then make sure you register, and I'll look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.